Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video, we saw how we can open VBA editor. If you haven't seen it yet and you don't know how to do it, you can go back to my channel and see it. Now we will see interface of VBA editor. At the top, as you can see, I have options like file, edit, view, insert, format, and so on. This is known as menu bar. Below that, we have options like view Microsoft Excel, insert user form, save workbook, paste, find, play macro, stop macro, and many more. This is known as toolbars. So this is one toolbar and this is second toolbar. Now let's see Project Explorer. Project Explorer will show you all the worksheet, modules, user form you have in one particular workbook. So for example, in this case, my Excel name is book 1, which you can see I have it open here. So that's why you see book 1. If I just open another workbook, which is book 2, and go back to macros, you would see that now I have two projects, VBA project 1 and VBA project 2, right? And as you can see here, I already have one module added in book 1. So whatever you will add another module, it will come here. For example, if I insert a new module, it will come here. If I insert a new user form, you can see a new folder has been created for forms, and I have got the user form 1 in this. Now if I keep adding more user form, inserting more user form, so it will come in the same folder of forms. You can also see as soon as I entered user form, I got this toolbox. This toolbox is used to customize your user form and create it as per your requirement. And why user forms are required is like user forms are used in VBA where a macro needs some input from the user to decide the next course of action. Now let's see properties window. So properties are basically, it will show you the properties of object that you are selecting. For example, if I'm selecting sheet 1, it will show me all the properties of sheet 1. You can change these properties as per your project requirements. Like if you want to keep it visible, hide it, the standard width, the name of the sheet, all this you can change as per your requirement. Similarly, you can see the workbook properties and change as per your requirements. Module actually does not have properties, but yeah, you can change the name of module. And as soon as you enter, so the name of the module will be changed. There's one more thing which is very helpful is object browser. So you can click on view, click on object browser. So this basically shows you all the actions that you can do using VBA codes. So that's it for this video. We will learn more about these in our upcoming videos. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest updates. Thank you.